stands for deeds. Good deeds to be done now and in the future for family, friends, and the community. Good deeds are done with the knowledge and skills acquired through badges. G is for the girl in Girl Scouts, and the growth we achieve through living through the Girl Scout promise and law. E is for eagerness and energy necessary to earn badges. Badges do not come easily, and they should not, or their value would be small. Badges present challenges and satisfaction in accomplishment. S stands for so many things: service to others, self-development, and most important, self-respect, the way you feel about yourself as a person. And so we have the badges to be given out in the Court of Awards today. I, as your leader, know how eager you are to wear them, and it is with great pride and a feeling of accomplishment that I present them to you now. So, let's start with our outgoing president, Bronte. Here it is. Let's give it up.
Yay!
Bronte, you have earned. Our very first meeting was a Julia Gordon-Low. I'm gonna have you take a picture of Bronte holding up her. Well,
Okay, I'm making a video though.
Okay. No, don't make a video. Just